Hello, welcome back to Let's Play Nioh, and we're doing one of the side missions. Revenge! Still have some blue going on. Good. Oh, Onmyo luck. Yes, please. Oh, I just had a horrible thought. Okay, it keeps progress. Okay. Okay, let's get the other stop. And after this, I'm going to start leveling up my talismans, I think. That doesn't make them any more powerful. I've said that before. What it does is makes it to where they're cheaper and you can have more of them. Oh, hello, friend. Want to go bounce your face into people here with me? Okay. This is the Dark Realm. Okay. That was the Realm's Master. Now, there was somebody shooting at me. Okay. Cool. There's a new one here. Oh. The thing going sentient. Oh. Okay. Does that not make me a god? The sickness has taken hold and my life's end is in sight, but commonplace death is beneath me. I will train all the harder. Here I go. Okay. Unfortunately, you went to corruption right at the wrong time. Okay. You're going to look around here. Okay. Hello, friend. There's a shrine over there. That isn't all the Kodama for this area. Dude. I'm sure that's going to be a like that. I know. I'm pretty sure I know what that's going to be. And ow. Okay. Am I using a Kadama sensor right now? I am. So we're gonna walk around the map a little bit. Before we finish the map. Ochoko Cup. We're gonna go looking for a green dot. Okay. Nothing so far. Shouldn't have been using that Kadama sensor unless I was looking for Kadama. Oh well. That's blocked off. That's the Kadama Shrine. Cool. That is really powerful in a small area. I mean, with a lot of people surrounding you, just boom. Tornado of fire. Okay. There is no archery skill, sadly. And it's off of Samurai. Okay. We should probably... Oh, I forgot to go around looking for Kadama. Just a second. Let's go back down here. See if there is a thing over here we missed. Why did I never get you? I'm going to check a thing here, because we got a new one of these. This one's higher level. Okay. Life drain on the final blow. It's not, I don't think it's transferable though. Okay. Inspiriting Gem. What does that do again? Oh, there's a new Chico powder here. Burning oil jar. Oh, wow. Yokai water pot. That's pretty cool. That's for use against mortals. It's really cool. You know those pools of dark realms that show up around people's feet and such? Alright, there was a Kadama there. I got it at the beginning of the game, of the mission. The yokai water ball pool pot um, makes those pools of Dark Realm so that when you're fighting people, they have troubles recovering their key. It's really neat against large numbers of bandits and soldiers. Okay, come on. That's the original shrine. Aha! Are you over here, friend? Okay. There is you with your head taken off. I think I've gotten everything. What's left is in there, and that is going to be a fight. TM. Ow. I might not be... Ooh, ninja locks. Skill points, yes please. Gunpowder bomb. Poisonous Medusa powder, of course. Healing. Eagle eye. Makes archery much better. Gunpowder bombs. Not terrible. I can level that up, which would be maximum kunai. You know what? Let's learn how to do bombs. I found some hair. I have learned. From that hair I shall learn skills. This hair teaches me how to build bombs. Okay. So, let us take a look here for a moment. So that'd be 2,000, and this would be 1,100. So we and that would be 4,000. So that'd be 6,000, 7,100. 7,100 is not enough to level. So, oh well. Okay. We do want to prepare Jutsu. And we're going to want some of these. Not going to want those. I think fire might be better served. Okay, lightning stop talisman there. Okay, cool. There, cool. I could make gunpowder bombs. I don't think it's going to be great. The hemlock broth wouldn't be terrible. I'm gonna get some of that. I could get 4 of those. Yeah. Why do I have... Oh, cat walking. Okay. Paralyzing effect. Okay, cool. I'm not sure how much the paralyzing effect will have on our friend up here. Okay. Hello. You know what? I'm going to go back and try that again with less failure. Okay. Oh, dang it. That wasn't anything in the game. I flexed my leg and the compression brace kind of popped. Oh, hello. You were part of the Dark Realm? Interesting. Now, we can try this by ourselves first. I am... going to beat the crap out of you. Wow, it's John. Darkness. 31. These are really skilled people. This one's not so much because, you know, or that, or they came back when they were really high level to put this thing here. You know, I could put... I'm going to put this Righteous Jasper here. Yeah. Okay. So that other people can use my help here. Okay. So... I am... I could use the Inspiriting Gem, but I don't know that it's a great idea. Oh dear. That wasn't the one I meant to do. Yep. Ouch. Hello, Tengu. Okay. That's a lot of Amrita on the ground. Okay. Now my stats are a little bit weaker. Let's see. Don't need this as much anymore. Yeah, sure. I'll take 1% less damage against this thing. Sure. Oh, that one's already max. Can't tell the difference. There we go. Okay, it's blue. Ooh, jeez. All the benevolent graves are gone. Split Staff Adept. We got 2 titles now that I think about it. Oh, it has to be to reputation list points. Okay. So I don't have enough for prestige. Okay. 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 So... Oh, that's right. I turned off Sacred Water. Oh, ow. As a note, this thing is not a special monster. They start showing up as kind of mid-level entities later on. You know what? I have an idea. I need the sloth token is what I need. Talisman. We're going to get rid of the fire. Get the life leech back. Good, it's in the right place. And we're about to have another level of sentience pop up. Okay. Shark friend. Oh, good. You with the hat. Is that the priest that killed Mom? Oh no. Okay, good. I thought I hit the mission complete thing before looting everything. Okay. Looks like the merchant we came to investigate's been killed. Or turned into a Tengu, one of the two. I mean, we could... No, we can't. It won't let us fight you. Huh. Interesting. It won't even let us see how you died. I'll bet it has to do with being killed by a Tengu. Huh, so you defeated the bandits and yokai but still found no sign of the merchant? He didn't strike me as the kind of man to simply wander off. Well, I imagine he will show his face again soon enough, provided he is still alive, of course. You know, you can smell it on the wind. All the plotting, the deviousness, the skullduggery that's going on in the world. Like beasts snaring their prey. It's sickening. Excuse me. In any case, your efforts are appreciated. Someone will be along with your reward shortly. Now I have some pressing matters to attend to. Okay. We have... That is very powerful, but it also is really hard to use. Okay. Okay. Trying to aim for the endurance stuff first. Dude. Okay. Taking damage. Arcana of Serpents, Demonic Defense, Guarding, Water. I think I'm going to reduce that. Okay. Yeah, I'm hitting the endurance stuff first. Let's see. View illustrations. And I believe the new one is going to be a Tengu. Oh, and the aberrant soldiers. They have come to harness the power of yokai by using spirit stones. It was once fairly common to hear the Japanese word for an aberrant, geido, spoken in Western Japan, often a reference to people possessed by demons that committed violent acts. It was rumored that these acts were the work of the ghosts of animals or vengeful apparitions, and eventually the term encompassed any and all evil yokai that possessed people. Therein lies the origin of the aberrant soldier's name, as they carry various kinds of yokai within them. Various kinds. The one-eyed Oni. I forgot about this. Gigantic Oni. Single eye in the center of its face. Oni with two eyes were originally human, or at least born of ugly human passions in some way. One-eyed Oni are said to be the wild bestial side of mountain gods and local spirits personified. Karasu Tengu. You have eyes on your chest. Wings like a crow's have been known to humans since ancient times. They have keen eyesight and hard beaks and fly about as they please, controlling the wind. They have no trouble finding purchase even on sheer cliffs and use their control over the winds to, when provoked, making them a troublesome foe. They also dodge my yokai abilities. I think that is everything. Yep. We're going to go to the shrine. 22. I think we definitely have enough for that. So this will be 6,000. This will be 500. And up we go. It is time for another video, so see you in a moment.